Well, it began in the summer. Now in the heart of winter, the 2013 regular season comes to a close. There'll be another jolt today before we close the door, but so far it's been a season of unbelievable finishes. I mean, just to get started, no pun intended. Maybe it was. DJ Porter melts into it all.
You people have been a big part of my dream. Because you brought me great joy.
Should all the headlines be forgot? Never got to mind. Should all the Kaepernick be forgot? Tell the end of time. Could every mistake be forgot? Tell the end of time. Should a franchise quarterback be back off? You're a franchise quarterback. Why? They ask my opinion, so that's my opinion. So I suck, son. I suck. Coach shut me down. God's testing me now. At the end of the day, my dad came to town. Mike's done a great job. I'm gonna name you the starter. You know what I'm saying? That's football. Just slide right. I just weave the left. Just slide right. That being said, one hand is wrong. Hazy, stop. If we did, we're sorry. That being said, we did not. We'll go all we need to make it first down. We'll go all we need to turn this thing around. The count's playing well. Cutler's my guy. Based on health. I got the wrong guy. That's the best pick and roll. That's my best player yet. Yeah, just kind of pick and roll. That was awesome. Can't change who we are. He laid a clean hit. Man, raised the Ring of Honor. Oh, that was quick. Ice up, son. In the ice cold tub. We go step up. I'm Susie. Name starting for the next 1,000 years. I've been living a dream for 74 years. Should all the headlines be forgot? Never got to mind. Should all the wonders be forgot? Lose it. The smart love life. Should interceptions be forgot? Shove that where the sun don't shine. Should all the hearsay be forgot? Until the end of time. Hitting the nick. Personal foul. My mom thought it was a penalty. That count? You can't hit him high, so gotta hit him low. Not a dirty player. That's his opinion, so. Geno will start. Mark will not play. Very comfortable with Geno Smith. On game day. Slide right. I just weave the left. Just slide right. With that being said, make it stand sandwich. We're on level ground. I'm not gonna turn sandwich. What are you talking about? You and your numbers, man. Don't get me a math major to figure out the end of the day. We're making mistakes, just trying to pass, throw this tape in the trash. I came in 61, back in 85. Go Bears! What a great bunch of guys. Yeah, I'm sick of losing. Different team, different year. And it's definitely not about winning like no keeper. We need to take care of business. Yeah.
What's your sense?
What's my sense? That's a Mike McCarthy question. This is a team sport. I fell woefully short. You know what the score was? You guys know? A little more. Did he ever shot the play? I don't know. He was in there. Was there a chance that he would play? They were in it, or they weren't able to play. Were you not listening? They were in it. Should all the contracts be forgot? Never got to mind. Whatever. Should all the hard hits be forgot? I'm gonna be happy. It's fine. Should he just find season be forgot? At the appropriate time. Should all the bad calls be forgot? Until the end of time. Do you have a favorite holiday song? Actually, I enjoy all of them. It's a great time of year.
It's one way to look at the season. That's well done. We appreciate DJ Porter and his staff putting that together.